Hi Guruji. Sometimes during the nature walk or when I am sitting idle by myself, I have an urge to dance, sing a bhajan or play an instrument. Is it okay to do so? Should I try to observe the feeling of doing such things or simply express myself and then forget about it? If I try to resist myself from doing and observe the feeling, I find myself getting a bit restless. Love you. A bit restless is okay, we can manage. But if you start walking in the forest, a black forest, and start singing and dancing, hugging trees, the neighbors we may call the ambulance and send you to a mental hospital. You have to be aware of this. If suddenly in the train or in the bus, if you feel like, now I feel like singing and dancing, and if you start doing it, a lot of people will be in trouble. You won't be understood. So we can't just follow our feelings all the time, right? So you need to be aware, you need to be conscious of the place, people around you, everything, yeah? You have to be considerate when everyone is sitting and meditating and you suddenly get up and start singing and dancing. Just imagine, if someone does that for you, when you want to be still and silent, meditating, someone walks around you and start making huge noise, would you like it? So that consideration we must have. Huh? Even to express our bliss, it needs certain discrimination. Even talking of knowledge, you should know where you should speak about it. You should say it. You go to a funeral procession and you can't sing and dance there. You can, but people won't understand, take it kindly. You go to a funeral program and tell them, hey, come on, there are 6.5 billion people in the world. Everybody is anyway going to die. Why are you crying? Don't give this knowledge to people in a funeral service. It's foolish to cry. Don't cry. Say everybody is dying. You will also die. I will also die. What's the point of crying? They will not laugh. They won't find it funny. Rather, they find that you have lost something. They think you are gone, cuckoo,